Hi Facebook support. I've been demonetized for 16 months now. Are you able to help?
Thank you for reaching Facebook support, where we pretend to care. How may I copy and paste responses for you today?
So my monetization was removed for unoriginal content, but everything was filmed by me. I was even using my phone to film my content.
We understand your concern. Have you tried making original content?
Yes, I just said, never mind. Can you tell me which video violates the policy?
For security reasons, we can't tell you what you've done wrong. This would make too much sense.
I've got about 500 videos, so how can I fix the issue if I don't know which video is a problem?
Great question. Have you tried making original content?
Look, all my content is original. It's literally me talking to the camera using my own phone. Every single video is original.
I see you're frustrated. Let me send you some guidelines. You should receive a link. Let me know if you get the guidelines.
The link isn't working.
Thank you for notifying us about the broken link. As compensation, here's another broken link.
Listen, Facebook literally recommends I use music from your own library.
Ah, yes, the music library, where we give you music for you to use so we can demonetize you 3 months after.
So why offer music for if we can't even use it?
Look, that's an excellent question, but have you tried using original content?
Look, I've posted new videos every single day for 16 months.
Consistency is key. So if you've been demonetized for 16 months, what I would suggest is keep posting for another 16 months. Even for 24 months, just keep posting content. And after that, maybe you might be lucky enough for our AI system to start monetizing you again. How does that sound?
Okay, can I appeal this decision then?
Of course you can. You can appeal every 30 days. And we will review it very, very carefully before rejecting it 2 seconds later.
But my last appeal took 3 months just to get rejected.
Congratulations. That's a new record for fast time response.
I've seen accounts posted stolen content getting monetized literally instantly.
Look, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Our sophisticated AI system is specifically targets genuine creators while promoting content theft. It's working exactly how it's intended to work.
Look, I'm just a small creator trying to make a living. It shouldn't be this hard.
Look, have you tried to be a larger creator?
Yeah, I'm literally on my phone now, posting and filming original content.
Our AI system and AI software actually would rather content creators with millions of views. And it doesn't matter if it's original or not. We just want people to stay on our software. So have you considered being a bigger creator?
How is filming myself unoriginal?
Look, please know that filming yourself trying to create original content may be classified on Facebook as unoriginal content.
That doesn't even... Can I just speak to your supervisor, please?
Of course, I'll put you on to the supervisor. Hi, I'm the supervisor on Facebook. Have you tried posting original content?
It's the same person, isn't it?
No, I'm completely different. And for proof, I will send you on Messenger exactly the same replies as the other person has sent you, but in a different font.
Look, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars being a creator. I just need help.
Look, we actually want creators just like you to succeed. That's what we want on Facebook. However, we've made our monetization process as confusing and frustrating as humanly possible because we want you to succeed.
Don't you actually want creators to succeed on Facebook? All right, so can you at least tell me what counts as original content?
Original content is content that is original.
All right, well, that doesn't actually help that much.
What I can do is, just for you is send you a link that 100 other Facebook reps have already sent you, just so you can read over it again and again, because maybe that might not fix anything, but it'll make you think that we're helping you. Does that sound okay?
Look, this is causing me massive amounts of stress. I've lost all my income. I haven't made any money in about 16 months. No one's helping me.
Wait, before you go, have you tried posting original content?
You know what? I'm done. This is literally the 100th Facebook rep I've spoken to in 16 months. Not one of you has actually helped me. And I've actually got friends that are in the same boat as me. They're being unmonetized for literally no reason whatsoever. No one's helping them. I'm literally going on TikTok now. I'm going on YouTube. There's no point me posting on Facebook anymore.
2 months later.
Hi, it's me again from Facebook. I see that you've been really successful on TikTok and YouTube. Congratulations, your videos are amazing. I would like to offer you a place on Facebook again so you're monetized.
Oh,
As long as you post original content that's not unoriginal. You film it on your own phone, however, you do it originally.
seriously, Facebook, go fuck yourself.
Okay, that's so unoriginal.